Hello! By following these simple instructions, you can download and enjoy VLC Media Player. Go to the Softonic VLC Media Player page and click on Free Download. You may have to log in to your Facebook or Google account in order to continue. Wait for the download to complete. Once download is done, click Open to continue. A pop-up window will appear which will let you choose a preferred language. Select a language and click OK. Another window will pop up to guide you through the installation process. Click Next to continue. The End User License Agreement will appear. Click Next to continue. A progress bar will appear. Another pop-up window will appear to notify you once the installation is done. Click Finish to complete the installation and start using the program. Enjoy your app! Should you have any doubts, do not hesitate to contact us on our support site or report the issue through our report software form. Thank you.